Thursday morning show. Because the mood in the morning, it's the mood in the morning. And usually on Thursdays, we do dance music. And when there is so much of our music that we miss. So we all, as artists, I say, we all want to make it out there on a different plateau. But I think this is our kind of music. This has been our music. We've always, like I was telling a friend of mine, where we love to dance.
Exactly.
We love to, and not just dance. Let me rephrase that. We love to hold on and dance.
Yeah. And when I say hold on, not from behind.
No, we like to hold on.
Yeah, we're old school.
Yeah, we want to sing. We want to sing in your ear and hear what's going on and watch you in your face and feel the love.
Exactly.
So this song is that kind of song.
Yes.
This is what I say when people ask what our music is.
Yes,
it's not
identity.
Just authenticity of our music.
Exactly.
I think this is it.
Okay.
You understand? I really do. And it's not just me saying it. I really do think this is it. Because we, besides Aruba Boneo and the rest of the farmer Antillean, but it's still Antillean to me because all of us still carrying our passport.
Exactly.
So, but the thing about that is, like I said, we love to hold on and dance. And we want to dance whole night till we sweat.
And what's so unfortunate, sometimes you go to the young people fete and they don't dance. They don't hold on. All they know is to twerk and push back their bum and that. And when you give them a good zouk or anything like that, they don't know how to hold on and dance. And that is what is missing here. Music is not about gyrating and push back, and you got to hold on to that significant other.
But it happens throughout the carnival season. That is also a thing I say. That's one of the reasons I enjoy Mr. Rude's show. Somebody might, they are getting, it's not them again. We are customer dancing.
Yes,
so
correct.
There's a spot for us to come and dance.
Exactly.
In a big platform and a big stage. So let's dance. There was Oswald, a special Oswald concert that Oswald had at Ali's. I mean, people came and danced and they left sweaty. Yeah. I myself had a little shindig the other day there. You understand? And the people dance and get sweaty because we want to dance.
Yes.
So when my big sister says all the time, and there's so many of my listeners that say, yo, we enjoy Thursdays so much because I'm going to play zouk, I'm going to play montuno, I'm going to play, you understand? I'm going to play that type of music that we really, really do enjoy dancing to.
Yeah.
So this one here, The Weeknd, I think this is the new dance song for St.Maarten.
Oh my goodness!
I think you're
making me more shy.
But the thing is, she's here, and she said, "Yeah, I know she's shy. I know Mirougia forever. She's shy, she's quiety, but when she gets on stage, it's a whole. But that is the way we were taught. That's what we were taught. We were taught from one of the greatest pianists and vocal trainers in the world. And she taught us, you can be who you are, but when you get on stage, let it out. And that's what you do for several decades.
41. I'm celebrating 41 this year.
41 in the music business? Or 41? Because you look 41.
41 in the music business. I'm way past 41. I wish I was 41 again.
No, it's a pleasure.
41 in the music industry, I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly,
Right.
But we need to maintain our identity.
Right.
Uncle Shadz, because I see that we are losing it. We want to be like everybody else. We are
not.
We need to be us.
Yeah, we are not. I mean, look, Mirougia, I do not have. I love my Caribbean heritage. I mean, from St. Kitts to Antigua to Trinidad to Dominica. We love it. You understand? And I've been saying for a minute now, when I speak to friends and they're like, yo, we want to come for carnival. What is your carnival like?
Exactly.
I mean, Trinidad's carnival is all Trinidad. Dominica carnival is all Dominica. Aruba, Curacao, everybody is them. But the only carnival on the planet is diverse, is ours. Because of our history and our culture of people.
That's correct. So we're trying to.
So we accommodate everyone. Because there is 100. Like there's a song that I kind of release, and I don't know if I'm gonna do this song. I don't know if I'm gonna release this song. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this song. But I've had this song for a while, and the song came up because of St.Maarten and the females that live on St.Maarten. And when I say the females that live on St.Maarten, if there's 130 different nationalities here, right, means there's 130 different type of women
correct,
that live on this island.
Correct.
You know, and that is for me, that is the craziest thing I've ever seen. There are so many different cultures, so many different women. And men, we love women. So we have our feast daily with our eyes, you understand, of these different type of women. And that is to show how diverse our carnival is.
That's
because
correct.
We have to have a Latin night. We have to have a Zouk night. Yeah. We have to have a Booyah night. We have to have a soca night. We have to have a reggae night. We have to, if we want all the cultures to come together for carnival, we have to have all these.
I agree with you, but
correct.
We as St.Maarten can't get lost in that.
And that,
we have to be the forefront of everything.
Right. So they need to put us to the forefront.
Yes, yes.
You understand? So this is a conversation is to be had by all the entertainers, all the musicians, all the promoters. It's a conversation that needs to be had because if we're going to cater to everybody and left ourselves out, then our carnival theoretically does not become our local culture.
Yeah.
Because if you need to teach them who you are and teach them what we know.
Exactly.
The other day I played a mix that I got from a friend of mine from CD Rankin, and he does this every year.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
And when I sit back and I listen to what the music was, and people call in and say, boy, that music
blow
used to be
your
so
mind?
Sweet. And that music was this, that music was this, that music was that.
Uncle
and
Shadz?
when Control had a road march and there that he has one.
Yeah.
When Bad Boys had one. When we indoctrinated a Tomian who was mixed with our local, which was Fredo. And he brought that. So, but before that, we used to play a lot of music coming out of St. Kitts. Our energy came from St. Kitts, from Elimat and the GI's brass.
Correct.
You understand? When Elimat broke up and they made Brass International. When we had Steel Pan here. When we had Risdon Steel Pan. Yark Steel Pan. Steel Pan from the French side.
Those were the great days.
You understand?
Yes.
And these people used to bring in people to play pan.
Yeah.
You understand? Because the competition was heavy.
Very heavy.
So you're going to bring in, so you're going to get Yark going to do this. You understand? And then you're going to get Risdon Steel Pan going to bring in 2-3 from St. Kitts, and this one going to bring in 2-3 from Trinidad. But that is what made our culture.
Yeah.
Our culture. Our true culture.
Exactly.
And it starts here with this music because we love to dance.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go back to saying we love to dance. I mean,
and dance correctly.
Yeah, because you could remember the old parties that we used to have.
Oh my God.
Whenever we had a party at home, when the party done, Mark, Addy, Carlos, Junie, David, all of us got to paint Prudence house. We have to paint Prudence house when we done, because it was a party on the inside.
Yeah. I remember going to parties at the Vlans on Front Street.
At the Vlans on Front Street.
You look forward to that every whole year's night. So some day ago, someone called me asking me about a house party where maybe Control Band could play and stuff like that. I was like, yeah, Control Band, but we need just like a DJ and just everybody.
The right music and everybody.
Not that Control Band can't do it. We can do everything. But the sweet house parties used to be just with a DJ.
Yes.
And we're missing that.
Yes. And
especially for our age bracket. We are missing that.
Yes, but we got to also teach the younger ones, because they ain't going to be young forever.
No.
You understand?
No. I'm seeing the shift already.
Yeah, they're going to reach up there, and they themselves understanding it too.
Yes.
I mean, I was, like I said, I had a little shindig, and I noticed it because there was many different walks of life around me that I know, personal friends, and there was no acquaintances. It was our close personal friends, and it was like, this is what an old party where I don't believe in the old school and new school, but yes, it was the way the party was supposed to be.
And they were off with the chain. I mean, you go home, you're like, wow, what a night.
I dance all night. And then you're asking yourself, you're saying, boy, I dance all night, but who I really dance with? I ain't dance with my girlfriend, but I dance with somebody. all night. Because that person gave you that energy when you get on the dance floor. You understand? You ain't leaving the dance floor until the party's done. You know what I mean? It's those kind of parties where you go to the party and when you realize that they ain't dancing enough, you close the bar.
And now the unfortunate thing, we have these phones now that everybody's dancing, but they're dancing with their phone. All night. What is that? What enjoyment is that? You have the phone and you dancing with this phone all night. What are you getting out of that? You know, sometimes I stand and I just laugh. Like,
because you go out.
What you come to the party for?
And then you go out and all the hombres in a corner. You understand?
Like it's like they're by a sport bar.
And the ladies
talking.
dancing with them. So the ladies dancing with ladies. And it ain't nothing that's kind of...
That is confusing for me. We see it all the time.
It's like, but why are the ladies dancing with the ladies? What are men doing?
But I just be saying, hey guys, this is not a sports bar where you gather and you talk. And the women are there.
But the women just there stand up by themselves.
And then you end up a bunch of women on the floor by themselves.
You understand?
That never used to happen long time ago.
Never.
So wake up, guys, wake up.
Never. That was something I said on my thing. Never. I mean, and I gotta say thank you to my pops. You know, because the gentleman is married to my mom. I call him Pops. This dude was there, and he said no women is safe with him. He grabbed everybody and danced with everybody. So after that, everybody was like, but. Who this taxi driver was dancing with everybody? That's my pops. No. He danced with everybody. So I do enjoy that. You know,
it has to be like that. You know,
we
when
have
you
to
come
get
out
back to that time.
When you come out to party, I think it's just about partying. A lot of them just sit and watching everybody.
It's like a fashion show. You understand? Who just didn't know. Because again, where I say we are so different is because I know we go where my sister, she made me laugh. You know, she came up with her heels, really, really nice. But sometimes during the night when I look down, she had on her sneakers. Pretty dress, but sneakers. Because it's like, ain't no way in hell I am going to dance in these shoes. You know, and I've seen it when I travel and I go different places. Like a lot of times I would say Trinidad because there's where I've been to a lot. But I've been to Antigua, I've been to Dominica for Carnival, where you see these ladies come out in their beautiful ensembles. Nice heels. But walk out with this fat with the shoes in their hand.
Correct.
You understand? And
the party was really good.
Real good. She halfway close to drunk. You understand? And her shoes in her hand. The pretty hairstyle she had done already. So that's what we need to come back to. So I am looking forward. I am actually looking forward to Night of the Hitmakers. Seeing you perform this song. Seeing the reaction, because I've been getting some messages and people like, yo, this song hot.
Yes, thank you guys. You know, I believe Night of the Hitmakers is gonna be one of the top.
It's always one of the best shows. I'm happy to be. I'm happy to be the forever MC for Mr. Rude.
I don't want to say the top because I don't want nobody like.
Like I don't say,
but
I don't say the
haters where the mature crowd will enjoy themselves. You know, Kassav, Oswald, Crossfire, who we haven't heard in quite a while, in Control Band. You know, just all of them just giving you hits
after hits after hits.
I need to say this: Mr. Root puts a dance floor there. Please make use of that dance floor. Sometimes people are standing on the dance floor. It was not placed there for you to stand
on.
It's for you to hold your partner and dance. So if you know you're gonna stand on the dance floor,
I have a friend right here now in Haines City. She's listening. She's like, "Oh, I didn't know you used to do interviews. This is so nice." So what I'm telling her is then she got to come out and dance too, because she's been exercising, coming down for Carnival, and we planning to dance that whole night.
Exactly.
I plan to send some messages out there while we're listening. Yes, me and you can dance whole night too. So I plan to dance with everybody that night, because it's about dancing, and I really do miss it.
Yes, I
do miss it.
Yes. You know, as we play often Control Band, and I'm seeing like something is missing. And as you mentioned about the guys just standing, I don't know if they're shy, a lot of them. So I sometimes give an advice to the women: go and ask the guys.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be
and
afraid.
ask the guys
If you find he look good and he look good from the waist down, your face he got to be pretty. Close your eyes.
But yeah, once they give you a good time,
Yeah.
And when I ask the guys, what's the problem? They say, yeah, if you go and ask the women, you get one no, you get two no, you don't ask again for the rest of the night. But that's life.
Ask till somebody say yes.
Correct. Because we as women, we have a problem if someone is sitting next to me, a female, and they tell that particular man no. I feel like, something is wrong with him. I have to say no too. And it's like, in effect, a trickle effect going down, which is not correct.
Right, right.
Give the men a chance, ladies. Give the men a chance. They came out to enjoy themselves. Give them a chance. If they are being disrespectful,
that's a whole different cup of tea.
Then you know what's going on after that. But we come out to have a good time, and that's what we're supposed to do. And put the phones away. I'm planning to have a party. I always talk to Control about that, where everybody has to put their phone
in a bag.
At the door.
At the door. Yeah.
Because sometimes
no
people
phone
videotaping all kind of crazy things.
Yeah, but that's
put
it too.
the phones at the door. Come and have a good time.
It was so ironic where I told this thing I had. I was like, yo, you're with your wife. Come with your wife. You're with your boyfriend, your man, your significant other, come with them. Because the single women at the party were mine. You understand? The single women at the party were mine.
Okay.
So come with your own.
Okay.
The single one them belong to me, and I go and dance with the single one them, and I don't want you coming single and dancing with my single woman. So come with your own woman. You understand what I mean?
Okay, next time I see you in a party and say, guys, ladies, everybody.
Yeah, the single women belong to he. You understand? Yeah, the single one them is he's. All those who have theirs, hold on to yours.
Exactly.
So that was the thing. So what we're gonna do one more time, man. It's been playing in the background and everybody been loving it, Mirougia. Tell them one more time before you pack up and get yourself out of here.
Yeah.
You understand? Speak to you already been speaking to them and telling them how you feel. But tell them how you feel about the music right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a brand new release from Mirougia, and I hope that you're enjoying it. And whenever you see Friday at 4 o'clock, you just play that song and it's going to get you in the mood for the weekend. So I want to be passing on the street and hearing this song playing. I want it to be ringing through the ears of everyone near and far, even those who are listening to the sound of my voice in other parts of the world.
Yes, around the world.
Please enjoy my music. God bless you. And I hope to see all of you who are listening all over the world to come on down to St.Maarten. Our 55 years anniversary of Carnival is going to be off the chain. Please don't miss it. Come early. We're going to have a great time because the weekend will be playing every day.
One of my listeners, this person is in Florida, and she just said, tell Mirougia she don't sound so shy anymore. Reminiscing, laughing.
In Florida?
Yeah.
Who's that?
She said reminiscing, laughing. So
I wonder who's that.
That's my baby sister Diane.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Hi, Diane. Good morning.
See, I tell you, they're listening everywhere. Everywhere they're listening.
Yeah.
One is in the gym right now. That's Trinity. She's exercising while listening to me. She says she can't wait to dance to this song when she comes down to Carnival. I have a few people, which is Angela and Sikara. They are in Accra, Ghana. And they are listening as well.
Ghana, wow.
Yeah, so they are saying, well, they love the music, and hopefully they'll be here for Carnival.
Yeah, so we're waiting for them. We'll be waiting for them.
Yeah, man, we're waiting for everybody.
And show them some St.Maarten love.
Some St.Maarten love.
Of course.
So this is that brand new In the Weekend by Mirougia Richardson. And it's Mirougia Richardson, it ain't Control lead singer. It's Mirougia Richardson.
This time.
Yeah, so Mirougia, thank you so much for coming through. It's Love Alone. Welcome to the Mood in the Morning. And anytime you have anything new and you want to come through, we always welcome you here. It's the Mood in the Morning. It's Mirougia Richardson coming at you.
We have Control Banners coming out also with something for so we'll be definitely dropping in.
And I'll be definitely waiting.
All right,
thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me, and God bless everyone, and keep doing what you're doing, Uncle Shadz. But you need to get back in the arena.
I'm in the arena. I'm playing your music right now.
I want to see you on stage again, giving that vibe.
I'm gonna be on stage, MCing and bringing you on stage for Night of the Hitmakers.
Oh yeah,
Night of the Hitmakers. You see, and that's the thing. That's the thing, sis. I say, entertainment is entertainment. I would never leave it. I'm here in the radio station. This is a part of the entertainment that I need to do.
Yes.
And I am the only person that I say when I MC a show, I am the hardest worker on that show. Because I there before the show start, and I there when the show end. I'm on that stage for 8 hours.
And what happens with the MCs, every minute somebody's telling, hey, no, we have to do this, we have to.
Right.
So it's very, very difficult for MC.
And then have to make sure that I do the right thing by bringing Mirougia, Control, and whoever else on stage. I have to be there to do the right thing.
Definitely.
So I'm going to use my voice. That's what I'm going to do. And I love y'all. And thank you all so much for wanting me back. But I don't know yet. Somebody got to convince
Think about
me
it. Think about it.
Hey, this is that brand new Mirougia Richardson coming at you. It's the weekend, and she said at 4 o'clock on Friday, make sure you put on the radio.
Yeah,
but 10 o'clock Friday morning, we playing this again.
All right.